guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Old Dub YouTube channel. Now today's Tuesday tutorial topic is all going to be based around microfiber cloths and how to take care of them. There's so many videos on this topic on YouTube, but they're all pretty boring, so I'm going to try and give you all the answers you need in the quickest and easiest fashion. As you all well know, you have a different cloth for all the different areas of your car and cleaning, polishing, whatever it is that you're doing. You've got your wash mitt, got your drying towels, you've got your throwaway cloths, the cloths you use on your door jambs, engine bays and all the grubby parts of the car. You've got polishing pads and applicators that you use to apply your polish, your sealants, wax, etc. You've got your plush microfiber cloths you use to buff off said wax or polish. You've got your glass cloths used as cleaning glass, or you can use it for solvents, things like that. And your general purpose microfiber cloths for using quick detailers, interior cleaning, stuff like that. Now, as a rule, we want to try and categorise all the different wash mitts or cloths, towels, whatever, into different categories and wash them together. So we'll take the drying towel. If you wash your drying towel with the cloth you've just buffed off your polish with and your polish applicator pad, all the polish is going to come off these two items and go onto your drying towel. Now these I've got super absorbent fibres which is only going to absorb that polish or product, whatever it is, into the fibres, and that's going to close up. Now when it comes to drying your car again in the future, that's not going to be as effective and you're going to slate the product because it's not done the job as it should do. Now then, as a result of separating all your microfibres into the respective categories, you save that risk of your polish contamination jumping shit onto your wash mitt, then making this less effective when it comes to washing your car. So then, now we know the importance of categorising the different microfibres, we can move on to how we actually wash them. Now, you're probably thinking, Ollie, this is fairly self-explanatory, I've been doing it for years, I know what I'm doing. Now, you're probably wrong. So these household detergents are great for cleaning your clothes, but way too strong and harmful for your microfiber cloths. So we're going to scrap these and move on to a product called Micro Wash from Autofinesse. Now this is a dedicated detergent for cleaning your microfiber cloths, removing all the grime, polish, dirt, whatever is embedded in them, safely and effectively, without diminishing the ability of the cloth and shortening its lifespan. So those of you who feel like what I'm saying is wrong and are happy to continue using these products, one advice I would use if you are going to carry on using your household detergent is make sure it's a non-bio liquid, because they are less harmful to your cloths. Once you have washed your cloths, your microfibres, and you need to dry them, it's a big no-no when it comes to using the tumble dryer. Your tumble dryer again is going to induce heat into your cloth, which is going to again diminish them fibres and stop your cloths from being as effective as they should be. The safest and most effective way to dry these microfiber cloths is to use a washing line. That is the safest way to dry them without causing any undue damage and harm to them. Now, not only does it save your microfiber cloths, it also saves your credit card because it saves your electricity bill. So you can thank me later for that one. Let's summarise then. Number one, make sure you wash your microfibres in each individual category to stop cross-contamination of dirt. Number two, make sure when you wash your microfibres you use a dedicated detergent which is friendly to them. Number three, if you choose to ignore step two, make sure you use a non-bio washing detergent and make sure it's a liquid and not a powder. Step four, make sure when you wash your microfibres you don't use high temperature, stick to 30 degrees wash only. Tip 5, make sure you don't use a tumble dryer when drying your microfibres. Hang them outside and let nature take its course, saving you some money and saving your microfibres from undue harm. just like that, that is the end of another video. Now, if you haven't got micro wash, make sure you pick some up on the Autofinesse website using our code OLDUB15 to save 15% off. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's been beneficial to you, and if you haven't already, same as always, make sure you like, share, subscribe, click the bell icon and tell all your friends about our channel. Hopefully you've enjoyed this. Most importantly, stay fresh, stay finessed. Peace out.